Hello. I ain't gonna lie. I was gonna edit the video from my trading session yesterday, which is Friday. Today's Saturday. I was gonna edit it, but I saw the file was like an hour and like 14, 20 minutes, and I ain't trying to do all that. You feel me? So I'm just gonna explain what happened. Started off. I woke up mad early. It was over here. Boom. I made a couple mistakes that trading session. First of all, when you are like when it's a break of structure, I marked my range right for the 50 Fibonacci over here, the previous higher high. But if it's a break of structure, if it breaks this low over here, you mark the higher low, and then with the now higher high, right? Boom, with this higher high. So the 50 Fibonacci will be here. That is one after it breaks this structure. So after it broke structure, I should have been aiming for this 50 Fibonacci, but again I aimed for this one, even though I did not take a trade on that one. Let me see here, AFX. So boom, and then immediately after this happened, it broke below this range here, th- this low here, right? So what exactly happened, right? Again, I put the zone in this 50. I put the zone here, and then once it tapped here, boom, I entered the trade. Oh yeah, still in the trade, by the way. Um, for some odd reason, I can't leave this trade, bro. Cause yes, I can't leave the trade. But where is the things, bro? Oh my gosh. So I entered here for a short. I entered here for a short, and I got stopped out here, obviously because this isn't the correct zone. Let me. There you go. I As you can see here, boom, I shorted, and then my stop loss was on top of this zone. Boom, but it was the wrong one, and so obviously I got stopped out. This was the wrong zone. The right zone should have been this low here with this high. This would have been the zone, right? Which, as you can see here, once it tapped, boom, immediately went down. And also, so so it was a rookie mistake. I'm gonna aim it to not do that again, because obviously that should not this this last year should not have happened, right? Boom. But all right, boom. I got stopped out, whatever, and then it broke structure again. I got stopped out. That was my first trade, and then as you can see here, this mini high it broke above, right? So there was a new trend where let me remove drawings here. So now there is a new trend between this and this, and it taps. Boom! As you can see, I entered the buy here. Once it did tap here, wow, and then it went up for a 1 to 1, 1 to 1. My stop loss was here. My take profit was here. I exited. As you can see, boom. So now that made back what I lost, and then I had just waited. It made a low. It tapped to 50 again, and that's where I noticed that I put in the wrong range. That's where I noticed that I put in the wrong range, right? So I was like, man, turn up. You feel me? I made notes. It's supposed to be like a break of structure, a reversal trade. It needs to be between the higher high, the current higher high, and the higher low, or the current lower low, the current lower low, and the lower high, right? So that's it, because I really need to get it so I won't make the same mistakes again. So like, let's do it going down, right? Let's do it going down. Bow, 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 bow. The range is not this. The range is not this. The range is this. Oops. The range is this. This is the range. Wait, what? Hold on. Yeah, this is the range here. Not not this. Now, why does this matter? It's a few pips. Well, obviously it mattered. It mattered here because obviously I did not. All right, buddy. Let's see if I can do it better, right? So what did I do? I did high, 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 low, high, 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 low. It broke. I did this high. I did that previous high. I did this previous high, right? And it just did this. It just broke above. Maybe the 50 was like over here. You feel me? It just broke above because what's the 50 of here? And what's the 50 of this? Understand? Do you see? So you guys stopped out, it tapped, and then immediately went down. So that's why the zone is over here. And I should have known it was just a rookie mistake. I don't know what happened. I just need more time with the plan, right? More time with the plan. Bow. So by this time it was like 11, 10:30 or whatever. I was break even. I was fine. You feel me? It was fine. And then I noticed it was a rookie mistake. Then I was not fine. I studied more, a little bit more, and then it created a low. And then I immediately created this range, lower low, lower high, where it tapped, boom, and then it tapped right at like 12 o'clock. And then I had to do stuff because I was in the bro. I was trading from 7 to 12, 5 little hours. That's fine, but I had to walk my dog. I had to go to the gym, do cardio. I do cardio without eating, so I was hungry. Boom, it hit, and then market closed. I was playing basketball, and I did not see a tap, and it did not stop me out. So for whatever reason, uh, hopefully it's because it needs to go five 5 pips and beyond. Hopefully it stays. You feel me? So I can exit and now goes back up. I don't know. I don't know what to do. Either way. Either way. Let me just put this here so I can take a screenshot to as my broker or whatever. Um. Yeah. So boom, and then I put in, yeah. So like I said, I did a sell here, wrong zone, buy here. But if I had put in a sell in the right zone, I do not think that I would have gotten the. You see how it was a perfect. It was a perfect 1-to-1, and then it went back. So if I had gotten this sell, I don't think I would have gotten this buy here, this break of structure buy, which was and it was a failure to break the high, so it obviously failed. Boom, created a new low. Um, if I had not, if I had gotten the sell, I would have not gotten the buy, which can give me like a new way of seeing the markets where I could buy and sell if it like a ping pong. I don't know. We'll see on next week when it starts, right? And then, boom. But I just like to trade with the trend, right? But whatever, it gave me that. I saw the opportunity, I took it. Now I took a sell here because it made a lower low and it made a lower high. It broke below. 1-to-1 is here. I should have exited. I would have been overall. You know what? I'm gonna do 5, 10, 24. So that was my three trades for Friday between 7 o'clock to 12 o'clock, and then I'm gonna just do market structure, and then I'm gonna just do my weekly recap and how I think about it, how I think about this week, and what I hope to do for the next week. So part two, ping, ping, ping. Weekly recap. So okay, so all my losses this week was due to human error and or greed. So all my losses this week, it was never due to the setup. It was never the setup's fault. It was always my greed or my rookie mistake, right? Which my rookie mistake's gonna fix over time. What I don't want it to happen is what happened at the beginning of the week happen again, which was just the itch to take a trade. It was just like basically gambling. I wasn't taking good setups. I was just taking, all right, let me take this. You feel me? The 1 minute. I don't usually take the 1 minute, whatever, right? Unless it's a break of structure reversal. But I wasn't doing that, so I got this mad losses here. And at the end, I was able to fight back and go to break even just by following my plan and not acting on emotions. So the two reasons. So all my losses this week, losses this week was never due to the setup's fault. It was always one rookie mistake, which I will develop getting better over time. It's my first week trading, first full week trading DTFX, right? Whatever. And then two that I'm I'm fixing today, like I'm fixing yesterday. Uh, my emotions got the better of me at the start of the week, Sunday, Monday, where I just wanted to trade. I was like back testing Saturday, Sunday. I was just itching to trade, itching to trade, itching to trade, and I ended up in the my emotions ended up getting the better of me, and that's why it's never good to um trade with emotions. So it was never the setup's fault that I lost. All my losses. I could have had a green week. You feel me? I could have had a green week for my first week trading DTFX. Um, but obviously, trading is a psychological thing, not uh the setup's fault, right? So I just need to work on my emotions, and I'm fixing that today. Next week, you will only see me trade what I know, and the rookie mistakes, I can't really help it. It's gonna be over time. Hopefully, it's less than what I had uh last week. You feel me? But right now, uh what I want to focus on next week is to not trade with my emotions. I don't want to trade because I'm greedy, and I don't want to FOMO. I don't want to greed out. I want to just trade based on my plan. What's my plan? It makes a lower low. It makes a I do a 50% range here. Bow bow bow. You feel me? It's easy, and then it's really easy. You guys know I'm gonna back test again. I'm gonna do like a back testing session. I don't know when, but bro, it's easy. It's simple. So, what's it called? It's simple, but it's insanely hard. It's insanely hard because of your mental. So you just need to focus on getting it better, getting it just to getting disciplined to just trade your setup only. Don't drop down to the 1 minute when you don't need to. Only a break and structure reversal. You feel me? Accept that there are gonna be times where you're gonna lose, but you need to lose when you're following the plan, right? When you're following the plan, you can't help it if you lose. But if you lose when you're not following the plan, like this rookie mistake here, you can't expect to be mad. That's because you didn't follow your plan. No, actually, that's when you should expect to be mad because you should have never taken that loss. So I just want to work on my emotions here. It's purely psychological, but what I'm expecting next week is already a green week. I don't care if it's $1, bro. Because today, this week, I lost like $2. I'm just say break even trade, break even first full week trading on DTFX. Hopefully next week we can already do some profits. I don't care if it's $1, $2, $3. You feel me? But I want to focus on just following my plan, right? Just following my plan on the 5 minute range, 5 minute zone, and then if there's a break of structure reversal on the 1 minute, we can take that. That is about it. And then we might also be able to, by the way, we might also be able to get a buy here, depending on the weekly. Okay, depending if the week. Oops, sorry. On the 1 hour, which that might be a big. That's a big range, right? $14. That's straight. Is it 14 or 142? That's $3. That's $30. That's $10. Hold on. Is that 14? This is 7 or $70. 40. 40 pips. Yeah, so by the way, the 1 hour higher high, higher low, higher high, break below here. I think the weekly touches, you feel me? This boom, we can see a nice little wick down, continue going up, maybe, who knows? But I am expecting to buy here, and I'm gonna buy on the 1 hour. I do not even card, you feel me? With my take profit obviously being a 1-to-1, no more than that, and we can look for sales as long as we have, you feel me? As long as there's a lower low and there isn't a breaking structure. But what I want to focus on starting Monday, bro, is just to not have the itch to trade. Actually, I can have the itch to trade. I just can't act on it, bro. I cannot stress this enough, bro. No more, because this whole loss here, this whole front row, what was 6, 6. All right, this whole started from here, but out, bow was just pure loss, and this messed me up, bro, from getting a profitable week. I'm not gonna have that again because I need I need money, bro. I need money. I need my 10K funded account. Let's do it, bro. And I need this $5 to $6 to yeah, whatever, bro. Whatever. That's about it. I don't know. I'm gonna edit. Eat. Peace.